this is Sonia of Artsy Solutions, and welcome to week 12 of 52 weeks of using up scraps. And so this time I just made some simple clusters, and all I did was just take some book pages, some what do you call it, sheet music. I added a button, and I added the buttons, like, I didn't do it in the video, the process video. I just did it like after everything was done. And I just had Fussy cut out a whole bunch of different embellishments and things like that. And these little muslin, these stamped muslin pieces, I did this on week 11 of 52 weeks using up scraps. I showed how I did that. And so, but yeah, all I did was just take some sheet music, did some stitching around, did some gluing, and just put some stuff together. So here that is with the button. And I had some cheesecloth, some burlap, and they all have cheesecloth, muslin, burlap, and all that with it. So, and these images are just, I Fussy cut out all of them. So, and there's just some that I have left over. I just glued them together. And it says "Be brave." So I'm just gonna, I want to show you the process of how I made it, but I'm just gonna speed the video up, and I won't talk through it until I'm pretty much almost done with it. So I sit back and enjoy it, and I hope you like it. Okay, so this is basically it. All I did was just add some sheet music, some book pages, some fussy cut images, some muslin, and some cheesecloth and burlap, and just kind of glued everything together. So I hope that this video was helpful and I hope this video was helpful and interesting, and you learned something from it, or you just want to, maybe you've already done this technique and you just like watching it or whatever. So if you did like this video, please like, share, follow, comment, subscribe. Check out my other videos and my social media sites and my blog. And as always, thanks for watching.